Bay cat. Bay cat is one of the most mysterious and rarest species of wildcats in the world. This species lives only on the island of Borneo. It is estimated that this endemic cat has been around since 4 million years ago when the island of Borneo was still attached to the Asian mainland. Bay cat can survive on the altitude of 5,900 feet. Amur leopard. One of the rarest animals on the planet, the Amur leopard is actually one of the 9 subspecies of leopards. It was declared critically endangered in 1996. With only 70 individuals left in the wild, the Amur leopard is considered the rarest big cat in the world. Of these, 57 are found in Russia and 12 in China. Iberian lynx. The Iberian lynx is one of the most endangered species on the Iberian Peninsula, with numbers decreasing rapidly over the past decade. These beautiful cats grow up to 1 meter long. They mainly hunt at night and use their excellent eyesight to catch rabbits. The Iberian lynx is the world's second most endangered species. Its population in the wild has declined by over 80% in the past 20 years. Sandcat. Sandcat is the only species of cat that inhabits deserts exclusively. Its scientific name is Felis margarita. They can also bark like dogs. Every animal on the planet drinks a little water to survive, but sandcats don't drink water at all. They are damn cute, but still not recommended as pets because of their wild nature. Codcod. Codcod is the smallest type of wildcat in the Western Hemisphere. They have a body length between 42 and 51 centimeters. Number of codcods in the wild is dropping due to conflict with humans and habitat destruction. It is estimated that the wild population of codcod consists of merely 10,000 animals. Codcod is listed as near threatened species. Black-footed cat. Black-footed cat is a species of wild cat. Even though this member of the genus Felis looks adorable, it is believed to be the world's deadliest cat. They achieve the highest kill rate, successfully taking their target in 60% of hunts. Other wild cats, such as lions and leopards, rarely succeed more than 20% of the time. Margay cat. Margays are carnivores. They love to eat monkeys, rodents, birds, lizards, and insects. They make a great domestic pet. Margay is a shy animal. An exact number of remaining animals in the wild is unknown. Scientists believe that margay should be listed as vulnerable species. It is estimated that more than 14,000 margays are taken away each year because of the fur. Wildcat. Wildcat is an ancestor of domestic cat. They are less active in bad weather and don't like the rain. The range of the European wildcat has contracted dramatically in recent years. It is a shy species and is rarely spotted by humans. Wildcats may only live for 2 to 3 years in the wild because of threats from disease, accidental persecution, and traffic. Fishing cat. Fishing cat is a type of small wild cat. They usually hunt fish, snakes, and birds, but they are also able to kill large prey such as dogs and domestic cattle. This is yet another example of a cat that disproves the misconception that cats don't like water. Number of fishing cat is rapidly decreasing due to habitat destruction, pollution of water ecosystems, and poaching. Fishing cats are listed as endangered species. Thank you. Tell us in comments which one you like the most and why.